Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chehek's Creativity. Today, Chehek will show you what's there in the Intellikit by Firstcry. This box is for 3 to 4 years age group and this is not a sponsored video, so the review is going to be very honest. So this is the box. First thing I would like to tell you, this is not a trial box, this is a full box. If you want to try and this is your first purchase, you can also go for a trial box which cost only 300 rupees. So let's get started. This is the daily planner given and these are some star stickers. And this is the user manual. All the details are given here. So this is the first packet. Two stamps are given here, painting colors and 2 bags for printing activity. In this activity, the kid will take stamp prints on these bags and your bags are ready. Now the second bag. Oh wow, a very beautiful activity is given here. Some velcros and some tokens. This is a memory game. Some ships and bases. Guys, this is a memory activity and in the planner there are so many interesting ideas given to play with this activity and you can use it in many different ways. Third is a hop and cross activity. These are some plank tiles and crocodiles. All the instructions are given here. You can check these. This is a very good activity to engage your kids during this pandemic. Now the fourth activity is grab the treasure. The 3 islands and some jewels are here. In this they have to collect the jewels with this stick given inside and the user manual is also there. Now in the 5th one, there is a storybook and 10 different worksheets are given here. Some flashcards are also. One thing I like about Intellikit is they keep on changing their themes of their kids. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss a new video.
Thanks for watching.